I picked up a stranger on my bike at 2 a.m. I shouldn't have done that. It was one of those nights. You don't really have a destination. You just ride. The streets were empty, too empty. That's when I saw him. He was just standing there, on the side of the road. No car, no phone, just looking straight at me. Something felt off. I should have kept riding, but I didn't. He walked up slowly. He asked for a ride, said he needed to get somewhere fast. His voice was calm, too calm. I hesitated, but then I said yes. We started riding. At first, silence. Then I realized something. He never told me where to go. I asked him, "Where am I taking you?" He didn't answer. I checked my mirror. He was just staring at me. That's when I knew. Something was seriously wrong. So I sped up, and then everything went silent. What happened next, I still can't explain.